The Cash Flow Planner in QuickBooks Online is an amazing tool for visual forecasting. But if you want to run deep custom analyses, present a clean report to your stakeholders, or build your own pivot charts in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you need that raw data offline. QuickBooks has a hidden little export engine built directly into the planner that pulls your entire predictive ledger out in seconds. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate and export your cash flow details into a clean CSV file with just 2 clicks. Let's do it. To get your data, let's pull up the Planner workspace. Glide your mouse all the way up to the top center of your screen and click directly inside the master search box. Simply type the word Cash Flow Planner into the field, and when the System Navigation drop-down expands below, click right on the Cash Flow Planner menu option to jump straight to the workspace. Once your layout loads, scroll right past your timeline graph down to the transaction breakdown list below. Look over at the top right header of your transaction ledger, right next to your custom filters, and you'll spot a small, subtle export icon. Go ahead and click it. Clicking that icon opens a small format menu offering CSV, PDF, or Excel options. Select CSV. QuickBooks will instantly package up every single forecast parameter, including your historical bank feed baselines and all the custom what-if items we staged, and drop it directly into your device's Downloads folder as a completely unformatted spreadsheet. Now you have total freedom to sort, filter, and model your financial roadmap completely offline. If this quick export tutorial saved you a ton of manual data entry today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.